Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I like to make it. This is a mushroom and onion bruschetta. It's delicious. I saute them together and it's like, you know, that is my favorite combination ever. Mushrooms and onions together. A match made in heaven. So to stick it on a piece of bruschetta, you can't go wrong. So if you want to see exactly how this comes together, you got to keep on watching. Alright, so to make this, you're going to need a baguette of your choice. I always use my Polish rolls. I think they're my favorite for this. Some olive oil, a little bit of Parmesan, half an onion. I'm making just a really small one, so you could use a full onion. Some mushrooms. You're going to need some garlic, parsley, black pepper, and some salt. So into my skillet, I went ahead and added a tablespoon or two of olive oil. And to this, I'm going to go ahead and add in my onions. I'm just going to let these cook until they cook down a bit, and then I'll meet you here. Okay, my onions are cooking down lovely. They're starting to brown a little, so I'm going to go ahead and add in my mushrooms. And I'm going to let this cook for a few minutes for the mushrooms to cook down nicely. Then I'll meet you here. Just keep stirring it every few minutes just so that nothing burns. Okay, the mushrooms have cooked down so nicely. I'm going to go ahead and add in my garlic. I'm going to let this cook just for a few seconds to get nice and fragrant and brown. And while that's cooking, I'm going to give it some salt and some pepper. Just for a little bit of flavor. So good. Alright, I'm just going to let this cook for a few seconds, and while that's cooking, just to kind of give me some blending of flavors, I'm going to go ahead and toast my bread on my bruschetta pan. Alright, so let me actually move you just a little bit closer. There we go. So my bread is nicely toasted, as you could see. Beautiful. It's supposed to be charred. You want it like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to top my bruschetta with a little bit of my onion and mushroom mixture. And of course, you can't forget the beautiful garlic in there. Just gonna plate it like so. Ooh, it's hot. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna top it with a little bit of Parmesan, just a little bit. I buy the already shredded, I know, horrible. And then to give it some color, a little bit of parsley. And that is it. Then you just serve it and enjoy. It's so good, it's so delicious, so easy. Can't forget the easy part. And I hope you guys enjoy it as much as my family and I do. Make sure that you subscribe, show me some love, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.